YouTube, here we are today at the Japanese gardens. To be truthful, I've already done the packs and they were awesome, so I hope you enjoy the upcoming flight. Sorry it's been a while since I've put out any flights, but I hope to remedy that in the future. Cheers. Well, YouTube, I just did 2 awesome packs. I don't know if I'm going to put both of them up or just edit 2 packs together, but yeah, well, I did 3 awesome packs actually. It was really fun. I've been trying to get out, and yeah, it was a great spot. Oh, it's been too long. Thanks for watching. Shout out to my Patreons, and see you next time. Cheers.